Hello, this is a quick video from Emerald Meadows on the Kona Electric. Love my Kona Electric car. However, there is a problem and the dealers and the manufacturer never wants to talk about it. And this is the charging port on the front. Nicely, looks really good. However, it's cheap plastic, and when you're in winter like you are in Canada, you can't get it open because it is frozen shut. And you can't charge your car unless you can get this thing open. So normally what I do is I pry it open with a bit of plastic like this. The door is still frozen because the moisture gets caught right up here and then it freezes inside the latch. Big flaw, inconvenient, and if you're in the Canadian winter, you gotta be able to charge your car. Anyway, quick review of the Kona and this really big problem.